can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. You got devotion, dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring to you guys another interesting video, and this video was sponsored by KlaiyiHair. KlaiyiHair have decided to send me a 3-part fake scalp U-part. I don't even know how they called it. I know it's a T-part, 3-part fake scalp frontal. Okay, now it's not completely 100% frontal because it does have the fake scalp material that they put underneath the lace, and this is just supposed to like mimic that of a fake scalp. So there's 3 different parting. Obviously going into this video you will see all the parting that this wig comes with. I do show you all the different styles that you can actually achieve with this wig. The fact that there's 3 partings, I'm just super in love with that because it just makes the wig so versatile, and I love my wigs versatile. I want to be able to rock like 1,500 different styles in one wig. If you guys would like to see how I achieve the different styles for this hair, just keep on watching.
Almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean. Can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. Take my eyes on you. Yeah. Can't take my eyes off. 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 Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. You and I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. You and I. Love you now. Love you I know how to love you. I know how to love you now. I know how to love you.
I can't even express how much I love this straight hair. It is so soft. Like, I haven't worked with a soft hair as soft as this one. This hair was so soft, and I also love the density. It feels so full. I like my straight hairs to be like a little bit full because I just want them to, you know, have a little bit of body and a little bit of like structure to the head and all. So I am super in love with this Klaiyi hair. It's the first time I'm collaborating with them, and I am giving them a thumbs up. I can't wait for future collaborations because this hair, if all the hair textures are like this, I'm in. I'm actually in. So this hair comes, I think, in a 26-inch. I will double check and I will be linking everything down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check them out. For this last style, I decided to just, you know, pull out some baby hairs. Y'all know I love my extreme baby hairs, and I had to do it because I just needed to see how it would look, because this is how I would wear my wig like outside without just, you know, sitting here and filming. When I'm filming, I just always try to like show you the different styles that you can achieve, and this way I just feel like it just helps in case you do buy the same wig. When you receive it at home, you'll be able to just go back to my videos, watch it, and just copy all the steps that I do. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video today, KlaiyiHair. Don't forget to check the links down below. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.